Hey, welcome back. Daniel Parsons here. I am a Yoli member, and there is my name. And this was my level up badge at the Yoli Salt Lake City Convention in October 2022. So, Yoli's all about BLP, belonging, love, and purpose. So, I want to share with you something that is a real passion of mine about helping people improve their not only their physical health, but their emotional health, and also be able to improve your economic well-being at the same time. I'm going to go on screen share right now. I want to talk specifically about this little stick pack product known as the Yoli Truth. Let me see if I can get it showing clear image there. This is really good for your immune system. You know, energy drinks are, gosh, I've got to say, at least a $10 billion a year industry. I'm just staggered because I got into the wellness field back in 2005, and now it's almost 2023, and that's 18 years have just flown by. And the wellness industry was really small back then when I got in, and I've been able to make a living. Also, want to share about this passion. This is another really healthy energy drink, and I highly suggest having your energy drink earlier in the day because this is very effective. But it doesn't give you jitters. It's not. It's all natural plant-based ingredients. So let's go on screen share, and I want to show you comparative pricing. And so what we're going to do is here's Red Bull at my local Target store in Kelso, Washington. I can go pick up a 12-ounce can of Red Bull for $2.79. Now they do have improved the and added some vitamins into their energy drink. It's a lot better than it used to be, from what I understand. However, they openly admit they've got real sugar in there. Yoli's Truth packets do not have sugar. And so I'm just going to read this real quick right here. And oh, did you see the price? Let's go back there, $2.79. Okay. Now back over here, Yoli Truth, you get a 30 carton container of the Truth. You can get citrus or you can get the pomegranate. Okay. And this is $1.28 per stick pack. So now, but let me just show you the beauty at the end here. I'm going to just give you the details that we got here. Tell the truth. Are you getting enough vitamin C? Oxidative stress is no joke. Every day it takes a toll on our health and immune system. Sorry, my phone rings often. Combat the effects of oxidative stress with Truth. Truth has no sugar, no caffeine, and comes in two delicious flavors, making it a perfect everyday drink. We've designed the two proprietary blends to assist your immune function. Botanimune contains a great blend of botanicals and superfruits such as pomegranate, acai, mangosteen, and goji berry. ActiZorb contains a blend of minerals to fuel your body with everything it needs to perform at its best. With Truth, it's easier than ever to support your immune system and hydrate your body. Support your immune system with Truth. Okay, and one last thing. I want to show you something. In Yoli, you can be, I'm a Yoli certified wellness coach. This is my site right here. It has that listed. Most of the customers do not have that because they are not a member like me. There's Yoli members and there's Yoli customers. If you wanted to be a Yoli member, okay, and be able to buy these products and then share them, Yoli also has an app. And the Yoli app, I'm going to see if I can bring it up real quick here for you. It is set to where you could go in. Okay, here's the Yoli app loading right now. you could go in and share like this truth product and go say, instead of Red Bull, I'm being healthier and I'm taking a Yoli Truth today. And that would be a way to help you drive some more possible customers to your business if you decided that you wanted to A, spend less money on your energy drinks, and B, have a side gig. Side gigs are very popular. Now, let me just show you one last thing here about Yoli. Um, the products, they've got all kinds of products. They got the energy drinks, they've got coffee, they've got tea, and they have these transformation kits. And it's the 20th of December today, 2022. The new year is right around the corner. People are going to want to be losing weight. The Yoli has weight loss packages, transformation kits, detox cleanse kits. They have vegan uh, meal shakes, and it's delicious. The chocolate one is my favorite. And so to find out more, you can call me Pacific Time Zone weekdays, 360-383-0265. And you can also go to my Yoli site, just YOLI.com/Parsons. And that's my last name. And that's P like Papa, ARSONS, Parsons. Okay, so that's it for this Yoli products overview and possibility of taking the money that you're spending on something like a Red Bull energy drink and turning it into a side gig. America is wonderful. Immigrants come here and they become multimillionaires. Why? Because they see opportunities like I'm showing you right now, and they take them and they run with them. So are you going to sit back and say, bah, humbug, man, the world's horrible? You know, the recession's coming again. And the last time our country went through a major recession back in 2008, I built a huge international team of wellness customers. And I've made commissions all the way up until this month. Now, because of some things that happened in the world with wars and stuff, I've lost a big part of my team, but I still am able to have those connections. And so having a huge connection list is so important. And the way you do it is one person at a time. You become friends, and then you just start sharing what's powerful. There's nothing more powerful than a Yoli business, my friends. It's over a $50 million a year business right now, and it's on the way to $500 million with the people they brought on board that have done infomercials for television programs. So I'm really excited to be a Yoli wellness coach. I'm really excited to help people get off of sodas and energy drinks that have sugar and get them onto some real nutrition drinks that'll really improve their health. God bless you, my friends. Bye for now.